What's going on, guys? Marcus Zari here, and we're on the Coinbase blog. So this is a article called "Helping People Understand, Explore, and Buy Cryptocurrencies." So a couple of days ago, Coinbase made the announcement that they were pretty much expanding. Right, they want more people to be involved with cryptocurrencies. So they've been trying to work on a way to make it more easier. Right, Coinbase is already easy in itself on using the platform, on using the software, on how to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and these other cryptocurrencies, right? But Coinbase announced this bundle, as you guys can see it displayed on my screen here. And this article pretty much goes into it briefly about what this Coinbase bundle is all about. And it pretty much what it's about is that you're going to get a bundle of 5 cryptocurrencies for as low as $25, right? So as low as $25, you're going to get the option to buy 5 cryptocurrencies all at one time, right? Instead of you buying individually of these assets, you can buy it as a bundle, right? So below in this article, which I'm going to have it linked, in the description, so you guys can check out this article if you want to read it or not. During this article, if you scroll below, you're going to have a link here, which is going to say learn more about Coinbase Bundle. And you just click on this link, and then it's going to pop up, and it's going to give you pretty much a preview of what this Coinbase Bundle is going to look like once it roll out. It hasn't rolled out to everybody yet, so a lot of people don't have access to it. So I checked my Coinbase account to see if it was available to me. I have not seen this bundle in my account yet. So slowly it's rolling out. Within a couple weeks, people's going to be able to have access to this bundle, as you guys can see on my screen here. And they're just going to pretty much simply buy this bundle, which is going to come in with 5 cryptocurrencies, which is going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum Classic, which was the latest cryptocurrency to be listed on Coinbase. So this bundle is going to be based in percentages. So most of your money is going to be towards Bitcoin. So you're going to get a bigger chunk of Bitcoin compared to, Ethereum and these other cryptocurrencies listed right here, which is broken down percentages. So at 75.73%, it's gonna you're gonna have Bitcoin. 14.92%, you're gonna have Ethereum, and so on, as you guys can see here. And I'm pretty, excited to see how this bundle is gonna really look like and operate once I buy it, and how it's gonna look like with my portfolio in my account. So definitely something I'm looking forward to buy myself. Instead of me buying individually, I can just buy this bundle, right? And it's going to give me, more than just one asset at a time. So this is another look of it as well. So as we go to the 1 week time frame, these are in time frames, right? You got 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, right? Then you got all, right? So pretty much what this is saying is, if you bought $100, I'm thinking of Bitcoin, right? I'm thinking of Bitcoin, not the bundle, because this bundle is new. So I'm thinking if you bought $100 worth of Bitcoin, I think this is what they're pretty much trying to show you, is that if you bought $100 worth of Bitcoin on January 4th, 2013, it will be worth $13,456.21 today. So that is one big growth of your investment of $100, right? That just shows you the potential of cryptocurrencies. That's why a lot of people was getting into Bitcoin around this time, because they just started to see this price just explode to like about 20,000. It's not going to show you the full price of how high Bitcoin got, but Bitcoin got as high as $20,000, right? So a lot of people was entering around this time, which is September, October, November 2017, and this bull run just started to happen massively. A lot of people made a lot of money off of Bitcoin or these cryptocurrencies, these assets, right? So that just shows you the power of cryptocurrencies. Yes, it is a risk. Anything a risk when you get into financial markets and things like that, buying stocks or bonds. everything comes with risk, but it just shows you the potential gains that you can get with a investment of just $100. So $100, you know, invested back then worth $13,000. So that just shows you, that just shows you how powerful cryptocurrencies can move, how quickly they can move within these markets. So definitely a potential to make a lot of money if you are an investor, especially a long-term investor. I believe that's the best strategy to go, just to buy these assets and just to hold on to them, especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very, very popular. Bitcoin is still relatively new, even though it's been around 10 years. A lot of people are still new to exploring Bitcoin and really trying to understand it and things like that. So definitely Coinbase is making it easier for new people to get into the space with this bundle. They are offering to us, instead of you just buying Bitcoin, you could just buy this bundle, which is going to come with 4 additional assets, and things like that. So I think that's very, very cool. So with that said, guys, go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna leave this link below as well, so you guys can go straight to this Coinbase bundle and check it out for yourself, and things like that. So with that said, give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down. All feedback is good feedback, and let me know what you guys think. And yeah, man, all the way to the moon.